So, Oskar, let me ask you this then. Suppose you're leading a kickoff meeting, right? So let's say that Factivity you just started a project and you're leading a kickoff meeting for the organization that's just starting a MES implementation. How would you define and scribe for them success? What does that look like in terms of a successful MES project?
Yeah, interesting question too. Part of the start of this has to be buy-in, right? You have to have buy-in from everybody. The best projects, the best successes require it. There's just no way around it. So when we're about to start an implementation and doing day one training, do we know who the players are that we're sitting around and the people who we're talking to? And do we know as the implementer why they chose Factivity? When we ask them that question, what are they saying back to us? Are they just echoing what the sales guy told them? Do you have people from the floor there? What do they think? What do they know as the problem, right? We often walk into a site where the company has already envisioned the way the product's going to work, and then we come in and we try to help them show, well, here's what our product Factivity is going to do for you. Now, I know that we're on the same page, but let's open it up and start to put it all together, right? And now that I know all that, we can start. We can start to build this. So, and one of the things I also like to think about, there's a huge difference between success and satisfaction. Did we meet the goals that we were trying to do in our implementation checklist? Probably. I mean, that's why we were here. But were they satisfied with the solution? Did Factivity or your MES vendor make the adjustments to get them at a satisfaction level that you wanted, right? Not the fact that I did A, B, and C, we're good, it's successful. No, are they happy with A, B, and C? Is it the way they envision it working that's going to keep them on that product for year after year? I hope at Factivity we demonstrate that all the time.
Yeah, and that you're right. There is a difference between success and satisfaction. And I like how you mentioned, the first thing is just to align, get the buy-in, making sure that everyone is aligned as far as what they're looking for. Do they know what they want? Do they know why they're there? So you start right out of the gates with aligning to the project goals and objectives. But then even if you meet those goals and objectives and you check them off the box, there's still that level of satisfaction, because it's one thing to check things off the box. It's another thing to do them well and to do them effectively and efficient and low maintenance and so forth. So that's a very insightful point.